We are going to study class 10 social science chapter 6 place of Indian cultural heritage. In which state Ajanta caves are located? Maharashtra. Taj Mahal was built by Shah Jahan. Tomb of Humayun was built by Babur. Hamida Begum. Who founded city named Fatehpur Sikri? Akbar. Which of the following is not a type of stepwell? Tala. Chaitya. Chaityas means temple halls for Buddhist monks. Vihar. Vihar means Buddhist monasteries where Buddhist monks reside and study. Dharapuri. Local fishermen of Elephanta Caves know it as Dharapuri. Black Pagoda. Konark Sun Temple has been built by black stones and it is known as Black Pagoda. Pilgrimage, a place having spiritual, environmental and religious importance in sculptural, architectural and natural elements point of view is known as pilgrimage. Write a note on Champaner. Champaner is situated in the foothills of Pavagadh at Halol Taluka in Panchmahal district of Gujarat. After the victory of Champaner, Muhammad Begda gave it the position of capital and named it Muhammadabad. Moti Masjid, Jama Masjid and historical forts are different buildings in Champaner. Considering art of architecture and historical importance of Champaner, UNESCO has declared this town as the site of World Heritage. Local fishermen call Elephanta Cave as Dharapuri. Qutub Minar is the tallest skyscraper made out of round red stone and marble. Pious hearts are welcome in the garden of paradise. This saying is inscribed on arch of a tomb. Which sculpture can it be? Taj Mahal. Queen's Stepwell, Patan. Adikadi Stepwell is in Junagadh. Ajanta caves are located near which village? Ajanta caves are located near Ajanta village. Aurangabad is located in which state? Aurangabad is located in Maharashtra state. How did Ajanta caves come in existence? Ajanta caves are carved out by Sayadari mountains. 29 caves came into existence in the form of horseshoe. Which caves are important in Vastu art point of view? Ajanta caves are important in Vastu art point of view. Which two parts do Ajanta caves consist? Ajanta caves consist of caves based on paintings and caves based on art of sculpture. Which two types of caves are located in Ajanta caves? There are two types of caves, Chaitya and Viharas in Ajanta caves. Which caves are the magnificent example of initial Buddhist art of Vastu, art of painting and sculpture? Ajanta caves are the significant, magnificent example of initial Buddhist art of Vastu, art of paintings and sculpture. Which art creation of Ajanta caves has earned pride for India for an Indian art? The fine blending of wonderful art of painting, sculpture and architecture of Ajanta caves has earned pride for an Indian art. Which are 1 to 12 caves in Ellora caves? 1 to 12 caves in Ellora caves are related to Buddha religion. Which caves are there? Which caves are 13 to 29 in Ellora caves? In Ellora caves, 13 to 29 caves are related to Hindu religion. Which caves are 30 to 34 in Ellora caves? 30 to 34 caves in Ellora caves are related to Jain religion. During the reign of which kings were Hindu religion caves built? Hindu caves were built during the reign of Rashtrakuta dynasty. During the reign of which kings were Hindu religion caves built? Hindu caves were built during the reign of Rashtrakuta dynasty. In which number cave is Kalidas? and Kalias temple located in caves related to Hindu religion. Kalidas temple is situated in cave number 16 in the caves related to Hindu religion. Ellora caves are of which period? Ellora caves are constructed during the time of 600 AD to 1000 AD and it is a live presentation of ancient Indian civilization. How many total number of caves are situated in Elephanta caves? There are total 7 caves are there in Elephanta caves. From what Portuguese gave the name Elephanta, there was a huge stone monument of an elephant. On seeing this structure, Portuguese named it Elephanta. Which idol is available in the cave number 1 of Elephanta? The idol of Trimurti is available, cave number 1 of Elephanta. When did UNESCO place Elephanta Cave in the list of World Heritage? UNESCO has Elephanta Cave in the list of World Heritage in 1987 AD. Who call Elephanta as Dharapuri? Local fishermen call Elephanta as Dharapuri. Mahabalipuram is famous for what? Mahabalipuram is famous for its splendid temple architecture and seashore. Which was the capital city of Chalukya dynasty? Pattadhal was the capital of Chalukya dynasty. Whose temple is the biggest of Pattadakal? Virupaksha temple is the biggest temple in Pattadakal. Which city was considered as capital city of Chaudel kings of Bundelkhand? Khajuraho was the ancient capital city of the Chandela Rajputs of Bundelkhand. Khajuraho temples were built during which period? In the reign of Chandel kings. Khajuraho temples were built by Chandel kings of Bundelkhand during their reign 905 to 1050 AD. What is the characteristic feature of 64 Yoginis temple? The 64 Yoginis temple is the main temple. The Toran of the temple is the best example of ornamental style of culture. Why is Konark temple is known as Black Pagoda? Konark Sun temple is built from black stone, so it is known as Black Pagoda. Khajuraho temples are built in which style? Khajuraho temples are built in Nagar style. During which period Brudeshwar temple was built? Brudeshwar temple was built during 1003 AD to 1010 AD because of being Shiva temple called Brudeshwar temple. In which style is Brudeshwar temple built? Brudeshwar temple is built in Dravid style of art. Humayun's tomb is built in which style? Humayun's tomb is built in Irani style. Which style of architect is seen in Jahangir Palace? Bengal and Gujarat style of architecture is seen in Jahangir Palace. Which was the capital city of Vijayanagar Empire? Hampi was the capital city of Vijayanagar Empire. Which period is known as construction period of Taj Mahal? The construction of Taj Mahal started in 1631 AD and it was completed in 1653 AD after 22 years. Every year flag is hosted at which place on national festivals? Every year flag is hosted on the Red Fort on national festivals. Which period is considered as construction work period of buildings in Fatehpur Sikri? Emperor Akbar started construction of building was started in 1569 AD and completed till 1572 AD. Why did UNESCO select Champaner as a site of World Heritage? Considering art of architecture and historical importance of Champaner, UNESCO has selected Champaner as a site of World Heritage. Which were the cities of Sindhu Valley civilization in Gujarat? Dholavira and Lothal were the cities of Sindhu Valley civilization in Gujarat. Which are worth seeing places of cultural heritage in Patan and Sidhpur? Sahasraling Lake in Patan, Stepwell of Queen and Rudra Mahalaya of Sidhpur are worth seeing architecture. Which are the places of heritage in Vadnagar? In Vadnagar, places of cultural heritage are Kirti Toran, Shramista Lake, Fort, etc. were same places. Shamlaji is an ancient pilgrimage located on which river? Shamlaji is an ancient pilgrimage located on the bank of river Mesho, whose architecture is excellent. In Gujarat, stepwell of which main places are famous? Stepwell of Adalas near Gandhinagar, stepwell of Queen of Patan, Adikadi stepwell are located at Junagadh. On which mountain of Palitana many Jain derasars are located? Many Jain temples are located on Shatrunjay mountain in Palitana. For which temple Taranga pilgrimage is famous? Taranga pilgrimage is known for Tarmata temple. Which places are known for Char Dham Yatra in India? Badrinath, Rameshwaram, Dwarka and Jagannath Puri, etc. are known as places of Char Dham. Which Pradakshina in Gujarat has unique importance? In Gujarat, Girnar, Shatrunjay and Narmada Pradakshina are of unique importance. The sculpture of goddess Durga slaying blank is what saying? Mahisasur, slaying Mahisasur. In Chalukya temples, Nagar and Dravid styles were used. Brihadeshwar temple is located in Tanjore. Qutub Minar is the pillar made from the Indian stones and the tallest pillar. The tomb of Humayun is built in Irani style. The architectural style of Bengal and Gujarat can be seen clearly on Jahangir's palace. The Taj Mahal is situated in Agra on the bank of river Yamuna. Dholavira and Lothal were the cities of Indus Valley civilization. Bhavnath fair is arranged on Mahashivratri in the foothills of Girnar. The shaking towers are well known for its unsolved secrets of vibration. Sahasralinga Lake and stepwell of Queen are located at Patan. In Vadnagar, Kirti Toran and Sharmista Lake are the places of cultural heritage. In Palitana, many Jain temples are located on Shatrunjay mountain. Taranga pilgrimage is located near hills of village Timba in Kheralu Taluka. Indian people go on pilgrimage. They do go for 51 Shaktipeeth and Amarnath as pilgrimage. Girnar, Shatrunjay and Narmada Pradakshina has unique importance. The Sun Temple of Konark is situated near the Bay of Bengal at Puri district in Odisha. In Elephanta Caves, Trimurti Temple in cave number 1 is the best experiment of sculpture. Which temple is situated in Taranga pilgrimage? Taramati. At which place is Shatrunjay mountain located? Palitana. What is meant by well with steps? Step well, wow. Which lake was built by Siddharth Jainsi? Sahasraling Lake. Which lake was built by Siddharth Jainsi? Sahasraling Lake. At which place is Rudra Mahalaya located? Sidhpur. Which construction was completed by Iltutmish? Qutub Minar. At which place stepwell of Adikhadi is situated? In Junagadh. By what name is Buddha Matha known? Vihar. In which state is Jagannath Puri located? Odisha. What is the total number of caves of Elephanta? 7. Identify me questions. I am known as a place of stepwell of Adikhadi, Junagadh. Devni Mori Stupa is located near my place, Junagadh. I am known as the place of Sharmista Lake, Vadnagar. I was being built by Shah Jahan in 1638 AD, Red Fort. I am known as the place of Damodar Kund, Junagadh. I am known as pilgrimage since ancient times, India. I am known as the place of Chardham pilgrimage of Tamil Nadu, Rameshwar. Temple architecture of South India are known for my style, Dravid. There is a unique importance of my Pradakshina, Narmada.